So in this video, I was so excited to create the video, I actually didn't check the option that I hit on the phone. So this was recorded as a slow motion. So all this happened in real time, but recorded really, really slow. But anyway, I'm constructing a shower pan here. In this particular case, the subfloor was very uneven, so I had to put a cement bed down. This is, I'm mixing some of the dry pack right now. And once you see the consistency, like whenever you make a snowball and it doesn't fall apart, that's a good consistency. So I'm spreading that on some of the existing dry pack that I put down. In this case, it was a little bit wet, so I just rolled with it. That made it easier to spread, easier to manage. And depending on what type of slope you're dealing with, you might want it to be a little on the soggy side. I found that works better for me. So I constructed that, and on top of this, I laid the shower pan rubber. Yeah, let's call it that. So I laid that on this, and then proceeded with leaving it to cure for a few days. In most cases, you can leave it for 24 hours. In my case, I left it for a little bit longer because it was wet.